Welcome to Magician in the Kitchen. I'm Oslen. Today I've chosen another recipe, a really fun one to make with all of you. It's funnel cakes. As you know, we can't go to the theme parks now and we can't go to the amusement parks and stuff. So we can actually make our own funnel cake at home. So let's start with the ingredients. So today we have milk, which is a 1/4 cup. We have 1 egg. We have 1 tablespoon of water. We also have 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the dry ingredients, we got 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And we also have some icing sugar, powdered sugar, ready to sprinkle on top. So here we are. Let's start. We're going to take a mixing bowl. We're going to add the milk. Then we're going to add the egg. And the water. And vanilla extract. And then we're going to whisk everything together. Alright, after it's well mixed, we're going to actually combine the sugar, and the baking powder, pinch of salt, and the 1/2 cup of flour. Alright. Now you want to whisk everything together, mix it well. While you're doing this, you might want to preheat your oil. So I got my deep fryer right beside me that's preheating to 375 degrees. And when that's ready to go, we will be putting this batter in. Now I want to whisk the batter so it's nice and smooth. There we go. That's right. Now the batter is all ready to go. Let's check the oil and see if it's nice and hot. It is nice and hot. So we're going to take the funnel. We're going to cover it first so that it doesn't leak when we put the batter in. So cover it up. Take a ladle. And we're going to scoop this up. Fill it up. Alright, then we're going to place it over the oil. Smooth this over. And then we're going to start drizzling it. Okay. There we go, that should be good. I'm just going to leave it here. It's ready. We're going to flip it. Oh, look at that. So it takes about 2 minutes on each side until golden brown, and then it'll be ready to go. It smells so good. Alright, looks like it's almost ready, so we're gonna just keep it up. We're gonna just drain it for a bit. Oh yeah. Alright, this goes here. And we're gonna sprinkle some icing sugar right on top. And voila! There's your funnel cake! And if you like our recipe, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe button, and also the alarm button so that you get notified when I have a new recipe up. Until next time we meet, and have a magical day. Let's give this a test. Oh, so good.